Hey, I'm JR Raphael, contributing editor at Fast Company and founder of Android Intelligence. I've spent countless hours poking around some of your favorite apps and looking for hidden little features that'll help save you time, make you as productive as humanly possible. Today I want to take a look at some of my absolute favorite Gmail hacks. Let's see if they're as helpful for you as they have been for me. The best way to keep your inbox organized is to not keep too much stuff in it. Gmail has a system for archiving, and that basically just means taking the email out of your active inbox view. And that way your inbox is really just a list of things you need to tackle right then. The problem is that you have to send a message when you respond, you have to archive. It's 2 steps, it can get to be a lot. So if you click the gear-shaped settings icon in the Gmail website's upper right corner, then click See All Settings and find the option to Show Send and Archive button in Reply. That'll put a new blue button in your reply window whenever you're replying to an email you already have in your inbox, and it'll make it a lot easier to take care of those 2 things in a single step. I don't know about you, but I've lost count of the number of times I've accidentally sent an email and then realized I'd made a stupid mistake or left something out. Gmail does have a way to undo that, but by default, it's only there for a measly 5 seconds. 5 seconds, who could possibly figure out a mistake in that amount of time? Unless your brain works a whole lot faster than my mushy old man noggin, that's not nearly enough time to realize you've screwed up. So go into Gmail settings, again on the website, and this time look for the line in the first section that comes up that's labeled Undo Send. And right there you can extend the Undo Send window from 5 seconds all the way up to 30 seconds. Half a minute, something, and it makes it a lot more useful than just the default 5. The real power of snoozing in Gmail comes from setting your own custom times. You can always type in that time manually, but you'll save yourself a lot of wasted seconds by having the defaults work for you. With this, you actually have to open up an entirely different, unrelated Google app, Google Keep, the note-taking service. And in Google Keep, if you click into the settings area on the Keep website, you'll find a way to change default snooze times for Keep notes. You would never know, but once you change those times there, those same default snooze times will then also carry over into Gmail. It'll make your life a whole lot easier, and now that you know, you'll be able to use it. So those are a few of my personal favorite Gmail time savers. If you've got a digital productivity hack you'd like us to take a crack at next, leave a comment below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button too, so you don't miss anything from all of us here at Fast Company and Android Intelligence.